Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kayak roof racks available on the market today for their quality, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a weekend paddler or a seasoned adventurer, we've got something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the Imolin 2 Pairs Kayak Roof Rack. This rack is built with a 1.2mm reinforced J-bar design, enhancing its durability and safety. It can handle kayaks up to 36 inches wide and offers a load capacity of 150 pounds per pair, making it a great choice for those carrying heavier kayaks. The wide-mouth J-bar design ensures easier loading and unloading, while the upgraded bottom gasket improves the frame's load-bearing capacity. Additionally, the high-density tie-down straps with 600-pound brake strength ensure that your kayak stays firmly in place during transit. When it comes to design and build quality, the alloy steel frame feels robust and long-lasting. However, it is not foldable, which could be a drawback for those seeking compact storage options. It's compatible with most crossbars, but not round beams, so make sure to check your vehicle's compatibility before purchasing. The rack is versatile, supporting not just kayaks, but canoes, surfboards, and small boats as well. While the Imolin rack is a great option for durability and security, it only has a small number of customer reviews so far, limiting its proven track record. It's ideal for users looking for a sturdy, high-capacity rack on a budget. The downside is the lack of compatibility with round crossbars and the absence of foldable features. Overall, it's a solid choice if you prioritize strength and affordability over compactness. Coming in at number 4 is the Piripara Kayak Roof Rack. This set includes 2 pairs of J-bar carriers, allowing you to transport 2 kayaks at the same time. With a total load capacity of 150 pounds, it's designed for serious adventurers who need to carry multiple kayaks or other water sports equipment. The wide-mouth J-bar design makes loading and unloading a breeze, and the adjustable padding provides excellent protection for your gear during transport. The Piripara rack excels in durability thanks to its high-quality alloy steel construction and rust-resistant coating. It fits most square, oval, and flat crossbars, but isn't compatible with round ones. Installation is straightforward, and the package includes all the necessary hardware, along with 4 8-foot heavy-duty tie-down straps. The universal fit makes it a versatile option for various vehicles, from cars to SUVs and trucks. While the Piripara rack offers excellent value with its dual kayak capacity, some users have noted that the padding could wear over time with heavy use. Additionally, at 14.3 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competing models, which may impact ease of handling. This rack is perfect for families or groups who need to transport multiple kayaks at once and want a solid, long-lasting solution. However, if you're looking for a rack that's lighter or compatible with round crossbars, you might want to consider other options. At number 3, we have the Mr. Hardware Heavy-Duty Kayak Rack. This rack is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and budget-friendly option. It comes as a set of 2 pairs, accommodating kayaks up to 36 inches wide and 100 pounds in weight. The J-bar design is wide-mouthed for easier loading and unloading, while the steel construction with adjustable padding ensures your kayak stays secure and protected during transit. The rack also features a rust-resistant coating, enhancing its longevity. Mr. Hardware's standout feature is its 600-pound brake-strength tie-down straps, which are factory-tested for durability. The quick on-off hardware makes installation and removal a breeze, and the universal fit ensures compatibility with most square, oval, and flat crossbars. However, it's worth noting that the rack is not suitable for round crossbars under 1.2 inches in diameter. So double-check your vehicle's specifications before purchasing. While this product offers excellent value for money and a straightforward installation process, it has a slightly lower weight capacity compared to other racks in this list. It's best suited for casual kayakers who prioritize affordability and ease of use over premium features. Overall, it's a great entry-level option for those new to kayaking or looking for a dependable rack without breaking the bank. Taking the second spot is the Yima Accessories 2 Pairs Kayak Roof Rack. Designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, this rack features sturdy steel construction with a rust-resistant coating for long-lasting durability. It accommodates kayaks up to 36 inches wide and 75 pounds, making it a versatile option for smaller to mid-sized kayaks. The wide-mouth J-bar design ensures effortless loading and unloading, while the adjustable padding protects your kayak from scratches during transit. This rack is incredibly easy to install with a tool-free mounting system that fits most square, oval, and flat crossbars. The anti-loosening screws and included 10-foot tie-down straps provide added security, ensuring your kayak stays in place even on bumpy roads. However, it's not compatible with round crossbars under 1.2 inches in diameter, so compatibility is something to keep in mind. The Yima Accessories Rack strikes a balance between affordability and performance. It's a solid option for recreational kayakers who want a dependable rack without spending too much. While its 75-pound weight capacity may not suit those with heavier kayaks, its ease of use and robust design make it a strong contender for most users. Finally, at the top of our list is the Yima Accessories 2-pack heavy-duty kayak roof rack carrier. This rack offers a winning combination of durability, ease of use, and value. With a 75-pound weight capacity and compatibility with most square, oval, and flat crossbars, it's a versatile option for a wide range of vehicles. The pre-assembled J-style racks make installation a breeze, requiring no tools and taking just minutes to set up. The quick-release clamps allow for easy repositioning without causing any damage to your vehicle. The Yima Accessories Rack is built to last, with a full-body, powder-coated steel frame and corrosion-resistant hardware that can withstand harsh weather conditions. The adjustable foam padding protects your kayak's hull, ensuring a safe and scratch-free journey. The included 600-pound brake-strength tie-down straps add an extra layer of security, making this rack a reliable choice even for longer trips. What sets this rack apart is its all-inclusive package, which offers double storage capacity at a competitive price point. It's perfect for budget-conscious kayakers who don't want to compromise on quality or features. While the 75-pound weight limit may not suit larger, heavier kayaks, this rack is an excellent choice for most recreational users. Its combination of durability, convenience, and value makes it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right kayak roof rack for your adventures. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy kayaking.